What's up, everyone? Here I am again. I am yet to upload the last unboxing, my suction cup mount unboxing, but went to Best Buy today after I got a $25 gift card. I also had $10 left over, so yes, I do have to pay back my mom's fiance for what I bought, which is $50, and I'm going to show it to you now. It is the GoPro Jaws Flex Clamp Mount. So, let's open this thing. If I can figure out how. Okay. This part's attached to the box, to the packaging right here. So, zoom ahead to when I finally get it out of the box. Alright guys, I cracked it open, so it's about time. But then it just comes out like that. 2 pieces. That's all, I guess. Yeah, slide that back in there, put it on top of these boxes over here, and we have, I think the clamp is locked right now, but yeah, we have the clamp, and we have the adjustable gooseneck, which is, looks like and sounds very hard to adjust. So yeah. Alright, I'll figure out how to open it up eventually. Probably look at the instructions, but for now just snap the gooseneck on here. Just like, I think I got it in all the way. Almost. Or at least I believe so. It's not in there all the way yet. There we go. So here's the full assembly. Gooseneck goes kind of like that. Really industrial, for sure. So I'll adjust it like that, and looks like that's our mount. So yeah, see you guys later. And this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find the link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.